Hey guys, how's it going? I have been getting a few emails about people that haven't been able to log into Khan Academy. So I want to go ahead and show you how you can be able to do that. Um, First, you should have received an email that looks something like this, right? At the beginning of the year, Mr. Norman, he added me into a class just so that way we can test it and see kind of how this works, right? And so what I did is, okay, he invited me, so I clicked on this to join the WHS math department, right? And so you have to go and do that. When you log in, be sure to sign in with Google. Use your school account to do that. You can do this with your phone. You can do this with your Gmail on your Chromebook, as long as you're logged in with your school account. Okay. So you should have seen this email and log into the class. If you haven't or you can't see any of the assignments, please let me know. Um, excuse me. Once you log in, you see that you'll have a certain amount of assignments, and so these are the ones that Mr. Norman assigned to me. Right? These are all the assignments that are due. Right? So when I click on that, I click on all the buttons, I can see all my active assignments, right? You go here and you can look at your assignments, all right? And you can, let's say, for example, you miss a deadline, you can look at the past ones, right? Right here. And you can take a look at your active ones. These are the ones that he assigned that are due Friday, right? So notice all these. Now it may seem like there's a lot, but notice the ones with the little triangles. Those are videos that you can watch. They're like no more than 10-minute videos. I want you to take notes just like you would in class. And notice that at the end of some of these, you have a quiz, and these are also graded as quizzes, like they would be in class. So you can, if you take good notes, you can go ahead and use these in those quizzes, right? And these are just geometry foundations. This is an example. We've been working with systems of equations, and a lot of it should be familiar, right? But excuse me. If you look, the due date is Friday, 11:59. Now, it may look like a lot, right, to do by Friday, but if we take a look at this one, I start it. I can watch it. It's an 8-minute video, and as you can see, you get points for the amount that you watch. And so once you're done watching the video, you can click next assignment. Now, if you skip the video and you just click next assignment, it's going to let me know that you haven't watched it. And also be sure to take good notes on these. Like I said, it's just like if you were in class, right? So um, be sure to do that. And notice these three are videos here. That one was about 8 minutes. This one right here is about 12 minutes. So it's a little on the longer side, and it's more terms and geometry, right? This one right here. Um, is a 3 minute and a half video. So, like I said, it varies from time to time. Don't feel like you have to do it all tonight. Okay, don't feel like you have to do it all tonight. And notice once you get to some of these here, then you'll have certain exercises. It's like, okay, it shows what you know, it shows what you can do, right? And so, which of these is an angle? And so, this is a line, this is a line segment, a point, and a line. So none of these, right? And let's say, for example, I didn't know it. I can see a step-by-step solution, and it kind of helps me, right? And it can take you back to the video that you were watching, right? And so, which one is a line segment? Um, Again, a point, that's a line. This is an angle. This is a line. So none of these. And so as you do these, right? As you do these, you're able to check to see um, what you're able to see. Okay, I'm doing good. And so depending on how you do here, it's how I'm grading it as well, right? So like I said, you do have little hints here if you need to make notes of something, right? If you need to write, then you can go ahead and you have this empty space over here, you can write with your mouse pad. And if you need to figure out 4 plus 4, is equal to 8, and so forth. So if you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll help you as much as I can. All right. Hope this was informative. Have a good night.